What's going on YouTube? Mr. 75 Pete back with another video out here at the truck. I wanted to show y'all I got the hood down on it. I said start taking some of the stuff loose off the motor to get ready to pull this motor out. As you see, that's the pipe that go to the back of the engine. I laid it out here. I got to move it. I had to find somewhere to put it. Probably sit it in the inside, but just want to give y'all a quick update. Kind of got a surprise for you sitting over here behind me. I know a lot of y'all wonders I'm going to rebuild this engine or what I'm going to do with it, but first off, I'm going to show you one of my plans. Y'all see that? Disc brake setup. This came off of a truck that had a fire, but I'm going to redo the whole thing. Like you see the caliper and everything. A lot of this stuff ain't really too bad because it's just like, you see, that's just surface rust. But like the caliper right here, I'm gonna replace this whole caliper. If I can't find a rebuild kit for it, I'm gonna replace it. I was looking for a rebuild kit for it to rebuild it because it got heat. And like you said, all these little things like this got melted. Now you know, gotta get another chamber, but like I said, it's nothing there. I don't know if y'all can see down in there, but the little, the little rubber that go behind it got melted. So I'm gonna replace that. But not planning on, I'll probably end up buying a whole new caliper. Excuse me for sniffing out this weather. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably end up replacing this whole caliper. But I picked this axle up for cheap. I only gave a couple $100 for it, so I went and picked it up. Should work on that setup though, hopefully. If not, then I'll get rid of it. But like I said, I like the idea of the disc brake setup because it's simple. Like I said, this side, y'all can see this side. See, this side ain't as bad because you see it's all still intact. The other side, a little, like the plastic on the back got melted, but this side wasn't as bad as the other side. But like I said, I'll probably end up replacing those. Changed out the caps and everything. This came off of like I forgot. It came off of Peterbilt, but I forgot what year it was. And I seen it on Marketplace. And then, like I said, what the guy wanted for it, I couldn't pass it up. So, like I said, it's heavy. I don't know if I can try to turn it over for y'all, but I turn it a little bit. But y'all get the idea. It ain't heavy. But, like I said, that's another plan. And see, I did this because, like I said, y'all know I want to convert my truck over to a hub pilot instead of stud pilot. And then what I would have paid for just this side, just to do this one side, I bought this whole axle cheaper than what it would cost me to do that one side. So that's why I went and picked it up. But it's digging down in the ground. I was supposed to have something here to lift it up, but it kind of fell through. So it's still sitting here. But like I said, I got to redo it anyway, so I don't care. Like I said, I'm gonna replace those, paint it up, make it look all nice. Then we're gonna try to put it on the truck. Hopefully everything worked. But like I said, we already got our hub pilot. We got hub pilot, and then we got disc brakes. So you can't go wrong with that. I want to get I'm trying to probably, sooner or later, I'm gonna find me a disc brake cutoff to put back here. Take these drones off, make it disc brake. Yeah. Another thing I've been thinking about putting a third axle here. I've been thinking about getting into some heavy hauling. So I might put a third axle here, right here. Could be kind of close, but it'll work. I mean, if I do change the back end though, if I do get a cutoff, at least I can stretch it out a little bit and have enough room for my third axle. But that's on down the line. But yeah, so the surprise. What am I doing to the engine? How are we going to make this bad boy a little bit stronger? Here we go. We're going to follow this chain. This chain hooked to the axle. I had to hook it to the axle to get the surprise off the truck. But here we go. Bam, there we go. 34.6E model cat. There's a running engine. Came out of a salvage truck. This is the 6TS model. See, I had it on this. I had put it on this tilt bed trailer, and I just tilted the bed down. So like I said, I was supposed to have something here to lift it, but like I said, I didn't get it today. So I used the chain hooked to the front axle, tilted the bed down, hooked it to this motor, this mount here they made for the engine, and I slid it off. Worked like a charm. But here she is, guys. We're gonna get some paint, painted up. I got to change my oil pan out because this one is a front sump. You know, on the Peterbilt, on the Peterbilt, so long nose and short nose, it's a rear sump. So I'm gonna take my pan off and put it on there. Now somebody told me the B model pan would work on the E model. So if that's true, I'm gonna take my pan out, put it on here. Now I stick this one on the on the B model, because I ain't gonna get rid of my B model. I'm just gonna put it up. But like I said, got the engine harness on it. I got to get the pump, the hand pump. I don't know if I don't know if the one off of that motor will work, but we'll see. This is a whole engine. Got a real good starter. I'm thinking the starter might have been brand new. I picked this engine up yesterday. I don't know if this was already on the engine or they stuck this starter on here for me. Just like when you buy a whole engine from where I bought it from, like I said, you get everything. So like I said, I got a brand new starter. Got the ECM here. I just got to get Monday. Today's Saturday, but Monday I'm gonna go get my 40-pin connector so I can make my wiring harness. I'm gonna make my own wiring harness. I'm not gonna go. You can probably buy one from Custom Truck, but them Custom Truck harnesses are like $3,000. So I'm not doing that. I can do this myself. I got a wiring diagram in the house. I already printed it out. I know everything go, and I can wire it just for this truck. The gauges and everything it needs to run. I'm doing it myself. Like I said, y'all know I told you I can do a little bit of wiring, so I'm not worrying about that. And see, to run this engine, from what I know, you just got to put the power to it to run it. But like I said, I'm gonna hook everything up to it. I got to get my electronic fuel pedal, all that stuff to put on there. Let's see, came with the clutch, everything. Probably end up replacing it. See, they cut these hoses off, but you go to a scrap yard, that's normal. But this ain't nothing. This air compressor, going to the air compressor. I got a piece of copper hose right here. I don't know if that's, I don't know what I'm showing you, but I don't know if that's factory or not. I don't think it is, but I don't know. Y'all tell me if that's factory or not. I'm pretty sure it ain't. But like I said, it got the job done. The whole thing is, see, I don't know if this is like this or not. This whole thing is copper, because I don't think it's steel. Yeah, it's definitely copper pipe, but it run all the way from the top all the way down to the back. But I got my whole, I got the hose on my truck, so I probably won't need none of this. I probably just pop mine off and run it all the way down. And like you said, on the B model, your pump set right here on the B model. If you remember my engine, my pump sets right here. So this is the fuel pump for the E model. So I'm gonna run, just had to run everything up to here. They cut these hoses off and left them on here. I'm sure I'm probably gonna clean them things up and use them for something. But yeah, like I said, this fuel pump we're running from here. This is our return, I believe. I think this is our return. So that goes back to the tank, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, like I say, everything's pretty much here, except the stuff on the front. But if you buy anything from a salvage yard, they're gonna take take a lot of stuff off. But hopefully I can use some of my stuff that I already got. Then I'm gonna get a pump and like I said, get some paint, clean everything up. Excuse me for the stiffy. Gonna put all new fluids, all new filters on it, of course. This right here is our power steering, I believe. So we just gonna convert everything, go to work to what we got. I'm sure it shouldn't be too big of a headache. Might bolt right on. If not, then we just have to probably change some fittings around, but don't think it should be no biggie. I charge that going here. Just gonna be a matter of maneuvering stuff around. Just hook right up. What else? Keep going on around, I guess. The motor mounts, I don't know if they the same, but I'm just gonna take my mounts off of that B model, stick them on here in the back. Another hose they done cut where that was running. Try to see who these hoses run to. That one run to here. That one runs to here. But yeah, I'm trying to see where the hoses run to, so when I change stuff around. Yeah, I'm keep going. Yeah, this broke. I mean, it's plastic anyway, so this you blow by too. When you blow by, go down. Oh, I don't know if my B model won't work on here, but we will see. If not, then we'll just replace it. It shouldn't be nothing too crazy. I wouldn't think, because it's just like I said, that plastic piece that got bumped probably when they was taking it out. The turbo, it spins, but it's kind of terrible, so we probably gonna end up putting turbo on this thing. I'm pretty sure of it. Yeah. I mean, it spins, but like I said, it ain't got no lubrication. I'll probably go get some WD-40 or something to spray on it, see how it spins. But I'm sure it's just like that from being sitting. Yeah, y'all can see the build up in there from where it's been sitting. I'll probably replace it, but I'm gonna spray it just for the fun of it. But y'all can see how it looks. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna end up replacing. Probably end up replacing it. But like I said, everything else here going around it. Let y'all see, trying to get an idea where everything runs to. All our accessories go on here. But like I said, you buy something from a junkyard and most of the time they're gonna take like the alternator and stuff like that loose off of it. They took the fan off, but we'll get all that. Like I said, I'm gonna get some cat paint probably one day this week. Clean it up some more, cause they cleaned it up for me. They took it and pressure washed it off for me. But I'm gonna get some paint and paint it some more. But yeah, just want to give y'all a quick little update on the truck. Like I said, I started taking stuff loose on the B model, but I ain't finished because I had the weather's been crazy around. We've been getting a lot of rain, and then other than that, I had a death in the family last week. My grandfather passed away, so I ain't really do too much that day. And today I was out here messing with stuff. Had to set the clutch on the Kenworth, but yeah, I ain't gonna talk your head off. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. So here y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed this update. Hope y'all had a good New Year's, a good New Year's, good Christmas, and just gonna keep pushing. Got a lot more to come. We taking the truck to a whole nother level. Since I got to put this engine in here, I'm taking it to a whole nother level. I got a lot of good ideas in my head, a lot of good content to come. So please stick around, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.